No, Wally, I told you, it's fake grass, not real vegetation. Hello everyone, I'm Adam Roberts with CTAC Lighting. Thanks for tuning in to CTAC Studios. Let's take a look at the CF series from Industrial Lighting Products, ILP. Have you ever wanted to just order a stock floodlight without worrying whether it will have the right distribution and lumen output for every part of your project? Maybe longevity is a concern, and you want to make sure that you give the end user as much flexibility as possible so that the life of the fixture isn't cut short by signage, landscape, or facade changes. Why throw out the baby with the bathwater when this baby can easily change its optics in the field to fit any need? I'm not sure that's the right analogy. This versatile floodlight. We interrupt your regular CTAC Studios broadcast to bring you this breaking news. The ILP CF series is only available for a limited time. Don't panic, because the blowout pricing has brought the CF fixture to as low as $30 per unit if you order in pallet quantities. Contact your local CTAC salesperson immediately to take advantage of this opportunity. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program. This versatile floodlight features a die-cast aluminum housing. It is available in 3 finishes, white, bronze, and black. It is also available in 2 sizes. The smallest 36 watts, and depending on the optics and Kelvin temperature, can deliver between 3,300 and 4,000 lumens. This is the medium size, and it's available in 2 wattages, 52 and 85, with a lumen package as high as 12,190. So the optics in the lumen package aren't the only thing that you can change up in the field. The CF series comes standard with a knuckle mount that can be field converted to trunnion or tenon with selected accessories. So don't worry, little guy. Actually, this is the medium guy. Wherever you need to be mounted and whatever you need to light, if it's signage, flagpoles, landscape, you can do it. Now let's take a look inside of the luminaire. A standard toolless entry allows you access to an adjustable dimmer switch that will allow you to field adjust your lumen package. This easy to access dial allows you to adjust the lumen package in the field to meet your needs. Also included is an override switch for the field embedded photocell that you would turn this off if you don't want dusted on operation, like if you have it on some other sort of switched load, a photocell, or a low voltage control panel, or what have you. Now that we have my new friend open up here, let's show you what makes this floodlight so special. These floods ship with a 7x6 optics standard, but you can order optional field installed optics and easily change to 5x5, 4x4, or 3x3. As you can see, with the endless possibilities, the CF series can be the single solution for your customers' floodlighting needs. Want to light a sign? The CF will do it. Flagpole? Just convert it to 3x3 optics. Wall wash, general landscape lighting, basically any floodlighting scenario you can imagine, the CF is the solution you need. It's also IP66 rated, DLC listed, and a full 5-year warranty. Fake grass not included. Please contact your amazing CTAC Lighting sales representative for further information. Good job, buddy.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.